Retinols are the closest thing we have to a fountain of youth, or at least something you can purchase in a bottle. But you can't simply start slathering retinol on. Retinol is part of the wider retinoid group, all of which are derivatives of vitamin A. It carries fewer side effects than retinoic acid, which is prescribed for acne. Whether you're dealing with acne, aging, dullness, or dark spots, retinols are here to save the day. Here are retinol's best benefits. 1. An A-plus ingredient backed by decades of research. While it may be fairly new to your radar, vitamin A for skin has been around for a while. Originally prescribed to treat acne in the 80s, its vast anti-aging benefits were quickly discovered. Retinoids reduce fine lines and wrinkles by increasing the production of collagen. They also stimulate the production of new blood vessels in the skin, which improves skin color. Additional benefits include fading age spots and softening rough patches of skin. 2. Thickens your skin. Because retinol can cause skin peeling, some fear this equates to thinning. As your body slows down, skin thinning is a valid concern. Good news though, retinol in fact increases the thickness of the skin thanks to its role in encouraging cell turnover. So instead of avoiding retinol, embrace it. 3. Flexible for all skin types. The retinoid group comprises a variety of acids, all of which vary in strength. Retinol esters are the weakest, followed by retinol, the variety most commonly used in skincare products. At the other end of the scale sits the acids that are high in strength and only available via prescription for those with more severe skin concerns. A trip to the dermatologist can help you find out which type is best for your skin health. 4. Easy to find over the counter. So why does retinol tend to be the NOID of choice? Retinol products are favored as not only are they easy to get, but it works faster due to how it converts in the skin quickly. 5. So potent you have to take it slow. Numerous benefits aside, there are some risks to consider. Due to its potency, retinol can prove a bit of a shock, especially if usage isn't built up gradually, or you use too strong of a percentage before your skin can tolerate it. In this instance, side effects can include stinging, soreness, redness, flaking, and peeling. It's not pretty and scares a lot of people off using active ingredients. However, these should only last a couple of weeks or so and are treatable. Use a rich moisturizer to quell any dryness and peeling. While those really deep wrinkles might not appear until later on in life, retinol should be seen as a prevention, not just a cure. Retinol is an exceptional preventative ingredient for people in their 20s to start introducing into their skincare routine. And once you hit your 30s or above, it should be a bathroom cabinet staple. Finally, when it comes to retinol, patience is key. Studies show it can take 3 months and sometimes longer for visible improvements to appear. Although it's most often utilized in facial products, retinol can technically be applied to most areas of the body, such as the hands and neck, where signs of aging easily appear. It's also best applied at night to dry, clean skin about halfway through your routine. Retinol comes in an array of forms, from serums and gels to moisturizers and lotions. Gels and serums tend to be more concentrated, delivering that retinol hit to skin faster and more powerfully. But this also means they're more likely to irritate. Meanwhile, lotions and moisturizers are more of a slow burner, but act as a bit of a buffer to ease potential side effects and are the better route to take if you're a newbie. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on amazing benefits, uses, and side effects of retinol. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.